All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about keeping your cool. All right, I know some people up in the Northeast, as this is going live, are going to be, flipping me off, thumbs down, because they're in the middle of a nor'easter. Well, I'm in the South, so get ready for the hot. So what we're talking about is as temperatures rise, we need to keep our cool. Now, I'm going to talk about a couple different things. Now, one of the big things is hopefully your shop has air conditioning. That's awesome. Most don't. So we're going to have to rely on some other things. One, staying hydrated, and two, fans. This shop has wall-mounted oscillating fans throughout the shop. The problem is one, they oscillate. As it comes into your direction, you're going, oh yeah. And then it goes away from you and you're going, If you guys have watched my videos I filmed during the summer, you know it gets hot in this shop. So, and this isn't a bad shop. I mean, I've been in much, much worse shops. So, one of the things that I highly recommend, if you can afford it, is a personal fan and a personal refrigerator. Now, I know not cheap. Fans are cheap. The refrigerator, not so much. But I do recommend, if you can't afford a refrigerator, get one of those flexible cooler things with the blue ice packs. Cheap. You can get them for a few bucks. Freeze it at night. Pack yourself water. Now you guys know I love my Coke Zero and I love my coffee. Not a sponsor, but I wish they were. I hate water. But in the middle of summer, either water or Gatorade. Now I know a bunch of people are going to go, Gatorade sucks. If all I got to drink is water, I'm going to struggle to drink enough. So I have to have some sort of Gatorade or something like that. If you're comfortable drinking water, drink water. Best thing for you. Little side note, if during the summer you get a lot of muscle cramps, you hurt a lot, it's because you're not staying hydrated. The biggest thing you can do during the heat is stay hydrated. I know it sucks to stop working to go, use something, but you gotta stay hydrated. I bring cases of Gatorade to the shop during the summer. I don't wanna run out, and it gets expensive running to the gas station at $2.50, $3 a pop to buy water or Gatorade. Go to the big box stores, buy you a case, buy you a couple cases, and if you can, a personal fridge. If you can't, pack you some drinks. I can't stress enough, you need to stay hydrated. The worst thing you can do is get into the associated, heat stroke, all that stuff. Stay hydrated. Now we're going to talk about fans. Now I got a couple different styles behind me. Now this is a standard non-oscillating 3-speed commercial fan. Small, handy, you can put it on the ground next to you, you can move it around with you as you work. This is by NewAir, and if you're interested in something like that, I was able to work out a deal with NewAir to get a 15% discount off of this fan. Link will be in the description. And I get nothing out of that, by the way. It's just a 15% off deal for you guys to get you staying comfortable during the summer. Great option, having one of these next to your bay, keeping you cool. I mean, I know hot airflow sucks, but it's better than no airflow. And I've been in the shops where they have one little fan that's per technician and it sits and you barely get a breeze on you. So personal fans are a good thing to invest in. I know they're not you know, the shop should provide, and you can complain, but chances are they're going to go, you got a fan, deal with it. Now the next option is something like these squirrel cage styles. Now these work really well for like when you're doing interior work, heater cores, evap cores, interior work. Put this in the back seat, get you some airflow. They work great for that. You can put them in different positions, get them pointed right at you. Couple different options. I will put one of these in the Amazon store as well. So you got some options. Or you can buy them off the tool truck, go to Home Depot, whatever you want to do, but I'm just trying to help you guys out, but it's important. All right, the last little bit of preaching I'm going to do on this is energy drinks. Especially during the summer, you need to put energy drinks and Coca-Cola and all those kind of drinks to the side. It's not that hot yet. Water, Gatorade. I cannot stress that enough. Water, Gatorade. Water, water, water. Stay hydrated. Don't drink a bunch of caffeinated beverages. Drink water. I know this one was a little preachy, but better to stay cool than wind up heading to the hospital and heat stroke. So keep in mind, guys and gals, I do these videos for beginners in this industry as well as pros. So this is stuff that a beginner will not know until he's been in the business for a minute. Water, water, water. Hope you guys liked this video. I know it was a little preachy, but we got to stay hydrated. We got to stay cool. If we're not comfortable, we're not going to make ours. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out more videos. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. Drink water.